Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we are going to be playing Farming Simulator 22. Let's get into it. And I'm gonna be premiering this again, so I'm gonna be in chat, chatting with y'all, and in the chat, but probably not gonna be until mm, after I get everything I need to do done. I'm not gonna post this until I get everything I need to do. Um, This. Okay. So where we left off, um, where I left off whenever I was n- gone for a while, whenever I was off camera, I planted sunflowers here and I planted corn on that other field. You might be wondering, why does it look like that? Yeah, I got a new disc over there, and that's the one that I used. And today we're going to be tractor pulling. So let me go ahead and get the equipment for it real quick. Tow chain, we definitely need a tow chain. And we need this. And then we're good. Alright, and then what I wanted to show you over here, I got a new tractor. It's a farm haul. It's a farm haul. It's a farm haul 1206. I got this from like a mod website that me and my mom use all the time for mods in here, and I actually figured out how to do it without getting like virus checking it and all that. So yeah. Mm, what am I going to do now? Just wanted to show you that over there. Oh yeah, right. I should probably go get that pick up the that was called. I don't really know what it's called, but I just know it's for tractor pulling. And I did say we are gonna do some tractor pulling in this video, so hold on. What's another pull tractor that we can use? International. Ooh. Nah, nah, don't want that one. Where is, anyways. The tractor that we could use. That we could use, Box Smoke. 70 10, 70 20, 70 7. Okay. Might get an 80 10. 7 8 10. Row crop. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Alright, now we gotta go get in my truck. And we also have another mod. Send er send dually mud tires with without weight box. I think we want a weight box. Dually fenders. Hood stack. Axle dump. Hood stack. Mud milter. Mud milter. And okay. We got this. I am the. There's somebody else gonna be driving in the tractor pool, but I'm just gonna voice them and get their POV. You know the set. Oh, that could be like the tractor pulling truck, and that that 8010 could be like oh gosh, I did not mean to do that. The thing that like rolls it out. Where's the? Okay. You know, honestly, I don't even think I needed to bring my truck. I honestly don't think I did. Wait, before we get into anything, I want to see how this sounds. Oh, I love that tractor. Whoa, 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 whoa. You know, this truck does not have the power for this. Oh yeah, you can just drive it. You can just drive it over there. Forgot these things were drivable. First, you need to fill the tool with what? Oh, this is for like trucks, like big trucks. Okay. Open cover. Open cover. Open cover. Oh, that's what lowers it. Okay. Unfold vehicle. No. Wait. Alright. Here. Alright. And let me go get that of the rest of the stuff. Rocky disappointment. I'm kidding. That truck design really doesn't really disappoint me that much. Oh yeah, that. I feel like that happens every video. All right, we're back. We are back. I'm gonna get the mud melter and bring it down there. I swear. Okay. Okay. Let the mud melter. And we're just gonna TP back to my truck. Bring it down there. Might as well. All right. Now that we got that, we're gonna start with the tractor this time for now. We're not filling it with weights because I don't really know how to do that. Oh yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Yes, I do. Why did I say I didn't? Huh? Um, there's John Deere. There we go. Grab this back up there. So somebody else actually owns the Mun Milta, and so do they own the other thing because the other John Deere thing tractor because I mean somebody needs to own them, and I don't own them. Could I just wait in the back of this thing though? Oh, I can already tell this tractor's gonna have a struggle. This is about to be one of the best things of this tractor pulling events of this season. J. Kurt 2015, you are clear to go on three. 1, 2, 3, go! Come on. Come on, come on, dear. Come on, dear. You can do this. Come on. Tires are spinning. Oh, help. All right, we're gonna actually have to move this because we're gonna have to do some smoothing out. Smooth out the track with the 8010. With the John Deere 8010. Okay, now we are going to get this thing, this tractor, and smooth it out. Okay. Look at that, it works. I did not know the silo compaction thing would actually work. Okay, if we leave a little tire mark, because it's not going to interfere too much. Yeah, time to get in the mud, Milta. After I get this thing pulled up. Oh, yeah. This is definitely better. Alright, now it's time to go get my truck and take it. And I want to go back to my farm. Wonder how long this video has been. Alright, not too bad. We gotta hit the stuff that we used to do from OG. Oh, yeah. That's basically all we really had to do today. Because everything's planted. You know what? I'm just gonna sleep and. Okay. I'm just gonna sleep and wait for everything to grow, and so we're not just gonna be bored out of our minds. Oh my gosh. We're not gonna be bored out of our minds. Okay. Okay. Let me just take out some loan so I can sleep a lot. Take out like a lot. Because in this game, it doesn't really give you a fine if you don't pay back your loan, so it doesn't give you a fine. I don't think it does. Oh, yeah, we got rain. We got rain, dude. We got rain. Rain. Yeah, dude, we got rain. If I swear, if this gets wilted, I am going to grass out. I'm blue. Grass out. Don't snow. Don't snow, please. Please don't snow. Please don't snow. Snow. Please don't snow before before I could actually do anything. No, don't do it. Don't do it, game. Oh, I have snow off. I forgot about that. I have snow off. Yeah, I forgot I have snow turned off. Do I? Wait, no, do I? Okay, one more sleep. What? What? Sleeping is currently not possible. You can't tell me when I can what when I sleep. You can't tell me how to sleep. Let me just do some donuts. That will give me tired. Because in that game, that's how you get tired somehow. Doing donuts. There we go. Now we can sleep. Be ready. Be, be ready. Be ready. Please. Be ready. Wake up, please. I want to wake up and they're ready. Harvest. Over November, December. Yes, they're ready. They're ready. Yeah, they're ready. Will it let me harvest them though? That's the issue. I don't know if they will let me. Got corn on that field. We got sunflowers on this field. Our pigs will be eating very good tonight. Or I should say, like today, because it's day, not night. Are you serious? Please, don't do this to me. Can we even harvest? I don't think it will let me harvest, will it? Oh, yeah, it will. Yay! It lets me harvest. Video. Okay. These are probably all gonna go to the pigs. A lot of food. They're gonna get a lot of food. How are the sheep doing? Did they eat that full bale yet? Or no? Nope, they didn't eat that full bale yet. Water 0 liter. Okay. Pigs got a little bit of water, but could use some more. I was way off. Here's some water for you. Oh, don't take all my water, sheepies. Don't take all my water. Gonna have to move your bale real quick. I'll put it back. There we go. Here's your bale. Still might work. I think it still will work. Have to get some water. Wait a minute. If it's gonna charge me for water at my own house, does that make sense? We also got like a workshop up here that we can also work on our tractors up here. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of money. Stop! Stop! Stop, stop, stop. Mm, okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. Alright, I think that's a good stopping point. So when we come back, we will have all these sunflowers harvested, and then we're gonna move on to there. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and see y'all in the next one. Peace. Wait, before I go, I want to drive my generally. Not drove it in a while. Like I said, I don't know how to get the sound back. But only I can hear the sound right now, but nobody else can. I don't know how to get that back. I don't know what I did. Go inspect the farm real quick and see what what's happening. Whoa! Oh god! All right, I'm gonna go park this back up, and I'm gonna get my outro on. Oh my gosh, this thing is fast. Yo, please flip. Please flip back over. And the generally and the truck can switch spots. I'm gonna park it here. Actually, this could be like the mower barn. Like the gardening tractor barn thing. And that could be like the truck. The truck could also go there. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Yeah, hey, J. Kirk 2015, we did it live tonight. One more run, one more win, you know we kept it tight. Thanks for joining.